here checking in from the once independent Lone Star State. So I've got some news to share with you. It's news of little consequence to everyone but me. And that is, I've decided on a name for my office. So if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been working on creating an office. I do a lot of work from home, but I also wanted somewhere where I could kind of step back a little bit, relax, smoke a pipe or two, and this is the place. I was tossing around a couple of ideas on what to name it because I've always said, if you love it, you name it. And so far, so good. I love this place, and I'm going to name it. I was tossing around the idea of smoke pit, but it kind of sounded a little cliche to me. So I decided to throw it out to the guys that I ride with. One of the guys came back with an idea that has a little bit of a story behind it, and I like it. So my wife keeps calling this my man cave, and that's definitely cliche, so I knew it wasn't going to be that. And the guys that I ride with, they call me Smoke. And I know, Smoke. I also go by Sully on this channel. My actual name is Brian. I'm a man of many colors, and apparently names. But she kept saying man cave, so I threw it out to the guys, and I said, look, smoke pit's kind of on the brain, because that's what y'all call me, and that's where I'm going to be smoking. You get the barbecue reference there. But like I said, it sounded a little cliche, and one of the guys came up with Smokiva. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean anything, except for the rest of us, the guys that I ride with. So we go to Big Bend National Park every single year. We do about a 4-day trip over the weekend. It's a long weekend. And we go to Big Bend because it is a absolutely breathtaking park. It's one of the most underutilized national parks in the national park system. But that's one of the reasons we like it, is because you can get out there, you can feel, you ever want to feel really, really small, that's the kind of place you can go. Not a lot of folks, not a lot of traffic, still some great roads to ride, but where we stay is in a town called Terlingua, and Terlingua is, this is all West Texas, by the way. Terlingua is a nice little, I wouldn't say a nice little, it's kind of an artsy little place where folks go to get lost. There have been, I think Ted Bundy lived there, like not even kidding, for a while. And there's one bar that we go to, which is near Terlingua, and it's called La Kiva. And it's like a cave that you walk down into, and then it opens up. Hopefully I'll show you a picture of the entrance. But it opens up, and there's a patio out back. We sit back and smoke cigars, just generally BS after a day of riding before we head back to the hotel. And one of the guys threw the Smokiva out. It was a combination of kind of that touchstone and my name and what I do in here other than work. So that's the name of the location. So if you hear me in the future say that I'm in Smokiva, this is where I'm at. So I know a few of you have kind of paid attention to the progress that I've made. I've shared a couple of videos in the past of the office build, and I thought I'd give you an update. So I put together a short little video with some of the old pictures, the before pictures, and then the transition into what it is today. So hopefully you get a kind of feel for the vibe that I was looking for. I wanted some place that I could kind of retreat to and kind of sit back, relax at nighttime, but also was usable for an office because I work from home quite a bit. So that's what I have. I'm almost done. I still have to do the floors in here, and I've got to hang some pictures and things like that. I've got a garage door right here, and I got to figure out something to do there because it's probably going to be the backdrop for a lot of my videos in the future, and I want it to look nice. So I still got some things to do. You can hear the air conditioner running in the background. I've also got an air handler, and you'll see all that. Well, actually, you can see the air handler right here. You'll see all that in the short video that I put together. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that, and then I'll check back in as soon as it's over. that's it. Now you've seen it. So, like I said, I got some little things to do here and there, but you've kind of seen the general aspect of what I'm looking to do. Kind of the vibe that I'm looking for was a cigar, kind of a nighttime feel. I'm going to be probably absent for the next week or so while my son gets through all his graduation stuff, and we have family here. So I wanted to throw this quick video out just to stay kind of up to date on the stuff that I've been doing here in the office. I know it's taken a while. I've been kind of working on it when I get a chance, which isn't often with everything that we've had going. So remember, today is Saturday, and that means it's Memorial Day weekend. So take a moment or two and just give a thought and a nice vibe to our brothers and sisters who have fallen in protecting our great country, the United States. And if you're in another country, don't forget that there's many that have paid that same sacrifice for you as well. So have a couple of beers, enjoy a poolside, maybe a lake or a river, something fun over this Memorial Day weekend if you have the right weather. And until next time, I am RoadGlideSully. Keep that rubber side down.